All right, today we're going to look at section 12.2, which is the surface area of regular pyramids. We're still going to be identifying the base of these figures, just like we would in prisms, but the lateral faces are going to be a little different. So in these cases, we have the point at the top of that pyramid. It's called the vertex of the pyramid. We would also have the height, which would go from the vertex straight down to the middle of the pyramid. But then we would also have on that dotted line on the side coming down is the height that is on the triangular face going around. And it's on a slant, so we call that the slant height. And then, as I mentioned, all the faces that are going around are triangle faces, so the lateral faces are triangles, and that helps identify the shape of the base. In this case, it's a triangle, but we could have any shaped base we want down there. So the altitude or the height, what I was mentioning, is from the vertex straight down to the center. So we'd go somewhere in the middle there, down to the middle of the triangle, and that's inside that pyramid. And then in order to find the lateral area, because they are triangle sides, and we would want to do the area of each of the triangles. So because it's of each of the triangles, we're going to do half, because that's what we would typically do for a triangle, half of the base times the height, but all the bases added up are the perimeter of the base. And then the height of the triangles is the slant height. So we need to remember that P is the perimeter of the base. And L is the slant height. And then for surface area, just like always, we need to take our lateral area and add the area of the base. All right, so for the first one, we have a regular pentagonal pyramid. So in order to find the lateral area, 1/2 of the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Because a side length is 4, we can find the perimeter of the base. 4 times 5 is 20. We are given the slant height here. The slant height is mentioned here, which is 6. So we can get a total lateral area of 60 units squared. And then for the surface area, we need to take our lateral area and add the area of the base. We need to remember that the base is a pentagon. So we need to do 1/2 apothem times perimeter. We already found the perimeter in the previous problems, or previous parts, so we have 20. We need to find the apothem. We need to remember that for the apothem, is going to bisect that side to 2, and then we have 54 degrees. and 36 degrees. So a couple different trig functions we could do. I'm going to choose tangent of 36 equals 2 over a. So a times the tangent of 36 equals 2. 2 divided by tangent of 36. And I'm going to get that a is about 2.7. I'll use that in my apothem. Add that to my 60, and I'm going to get that my total surface area is 87.5 units squared. For the next one, we have a regular square pyramid. So go ahead and pause it and see if you can get the correct answer here. So again, remember lateral area is half perimeter times slant height. In this case, the perimeter of the base is 16 and the slant height is 7. So we're going to get a lateral area of 56 units squared. And for the surface area, we're going to take 56 and add the area of the base. And the area of the base here is a square, so it is 16, which means I'm going to get 72 units squared. And that will conclude our area, lateral and surface area of regular pyramids.